Roland received a phone call in regards to a fire loss here at this property. It was early evening, and when I got on site, DC firefighters and EMS was already engaging with the fire. Dealing with this fire was a unique situation because of the items that were stored here in this property. It was a construction company, so they house a lot of flammable materials. And on top of that, there were actual vehicles that had collapsed into the building that made it even harder to extinguish the fire. One of the concerns that we had during the fire was the rear wall collapsing on top of the CSX train tracks. So we had to bring in equipment to push the wall in to prevent it from falling on those train tracks to keep the CSX rails open. It's estimated that DC firefighters used roughly 3 million gallons of water to extinguish this fire. Once the fire was fully extinguished, Roland had to come up with a game plan with removing the remaining cars off the roof. One of the concerns was disruption to the surrounding businesses, so Roland really had to be careful with our equipment, trucks moving in and out, and keeping those other businesses running. When Roland was finally able to get in and start with the debris removal, we had to follow the local authorities' guidelines because we didn't want to disrupt any homes that was nearby with all the dust flying around and everything. So we worked very closely with the local agencies to prevent that from happening. Here at Roland, we pride ourselves on being a full-service restoration company. For me, this shows that Roland is able to take on more than just your normal restoration services. I mean, we're able to work with a lot of agencies, and a loss of this magnitude, it shows that Roland is able to take on something like this and also take on your average home.